Hi everyone, this is Sabir and I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to talk about 301 redirects. So what are they and how we can handle them, and what can be the impact of 301 redirect in your SEO campaign, or how they can affect your website. So what are 301 redirect? So 301 redirect is a status code that indicates a permanent redirection, and that means the page is moving to another page permanently. For example, if there are two pages in your site, first one is page A and the second one is page B, and I have set up 301 redirect, and when I as a user land on this page, it will automatically take me to this page, that is page B, and this is the final page. The same case happened with the search engine bots. Search engine bot also declare a final page, that is page B, because they will also know the page A is redirecting to the page B, and this is called 301 permanent redirect. You can move any URL in your website to another URL. Alright, so in that case, by using 301 redirect, you can also handle 404 not found. So for example, if there is a page in your site and that is 404, and you have a relevant page to that page, then you can create a permanent 301 redirect. And when a user will land on this page, the user will be redirected to this page, and this is how you can handle 404 as well. And the other thing is, with the help of 301 redirect, you can also pass the link juice, because if there is a deleted page in your website and that deleted page have some sort of links that are powerful, you can create 301 redirect and you can pass the link juice to the new page, to the final page. And this is also better for the user experience and for the search engine bot as well, because if you have a 404 page in your website, you can create 301 redirect and you can send your user and search engine bot to the page that is the final page, that is your redirected destination. But the problem is, if there are a lot of 301 redirect, and if in any case if you have created 301 redirect intentionally, then it would be fine. But if there are a lot of 301 redirect and a CMS, or with any reason the 301 redirect are created, and they will create a redirect chain, and that is called a redirect loop. And the redirect loop is basically a chain of redirect, and it will keep redirecting the search engine bot, and the search engine bot will lost, and search engine bot unable to discover the content that we want them to discover. So that is why we have to conduct a technical SEO audit for our website, and we have to find either there are any misleading 301 redirect or 404 pages. So in order to find out 301 redirect, there is a way, and that is Screaming Frog. And in that Screaming Frog, you have to put your website URL, click on start, and you have to wait until it is completed a crawl up to 100%. And again, you have to click on response code, and you have to select here 301 redirect, and there you can find a 301 redirects. And another way to find 301 redirect are, you just have to click on status code, and you can see that these all are 301 redirect, and you have to check one by one, either it is created intentionally or it is automatically created a 301 redirects. So for example, here is a URL that is called weekly special, and if I check the URL detail, and that is selecting to this URL, and that is a fine case, because this URL don't have trailing slash, and the final will have trailing slash, and that means they have created 301 redirect permanently, and that is fine. Another one is there is URL called slash tempo payments, and if I check this one, and you can see the URL slash payment, the tempo is gone, and that is also a fine case that URL is redirecting. Again, there are some variations that is also redirecting, so let's just check to them. So this is a paginated page. And the anchor text, again, it's automatically redirecting. So I just pasted this page URL, and it is redirecting to that page. And this is called, you know, automated redirect. This isn't intentionally, I believe, because when you track the anchor text, it's giving us this URL, and again, if I check the second one, and now it is on the same page. Yes. So if I track it, so again, there is no sign why this page is redirecting to that page. Again, this is a variation, and you can see the anchor text, the final URL, and from which it is creating a redirect to this one. So this is how you have to check all the URLs, and you have to confirm either the redirection is intentionally, or it is created automatically by the CMS, or with another reason. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe the channel and share this video as well, so that other people also can watch. So let me know if you have any suggestion, or if you have any question. Make sure to write in the comment below. Thank you so much.